Day 2 of honking horns in the UPS truck. No.
They do anything for the gram and say that.
Dude, can I eat it? Like, can I eat it? I'm gonna take a bite.
Dude, do you guys need help with anything on the table or no?
No, I was gonna eat it right now, actually.
So you're gonna have to stop recording.
And when I step in the room, look at my jewelry, light up the room, look. And she think I'm a trick, fuck it, I better spend it on you, look. I got all these bands on me, baby come take it, just dance.
What can I get for you? Don't touch this. Don't do that. No, I'm ordering 3.
We take a shot.
What's up, guys? One Wheel just sent me, I guess, a one wheel. They customized this, red and blue.
Like we got a million chops, got all these bands on me.
Yo, and everybody go join my membership channel for exclusive content. Not Sophie Rain content, like fire content, you heard?